Hello friends, this is Imran, and in this video I will talk about CICD, that is continuous integration, continuous deployment. What is the meaning of this? Continuous integration, continuous deployment means packaging the application and deploying it on a server automatically, means creating a pipeline for that. As soon as I make the changes to my code base, my application should get packaged automatically and my application should get deployed on a server automatically. So we will see that in this video. So this is my application, a simple ToDoList application which I have developed using React.js framework and Typescript, and I deployed it on a server, AWS server EC2. You can see the public IP over here. So for deploying my application, I created a CI/CD pipeline using Github Action. This is my code base, a local code base, and this is the remote code base, means it is a remote repository on GitHub. So now what I will do, I will make the changes in my code on my local machine, and then I will push these changes to the remote repository. As soon as the changes get pushed to the remote repository, automatically my application get packaged and get deployed on the server. So what I will do, here you can see the background color is blue. I will just make the change in that color. I will make it as a, let's say, tomato. Okay, and just save this. As soon as you make the changes, say git add dot, say git commit -m, let's say tomato color, add some comment, and just say git push origin, let's say master. So here I am pushing the changes to the remote repository. If you see the remote repository under src, under asset, under my style, here the changes have been pushed. As soon as I push the changes, my workflow gets started. You can see over here the application is getting builded, getting packaged, and then it will get deployed on the AWS server. So this process will take few minutes. Once this process will get finished, if you refresh the page, the background color will get changed to tomato. So this is how in the industry also the CI/CD pipeline gets created in order to package the application and to deploy it on a server. Earlier the process was manual, packaging it and then deploying it manually on the server. Earlier the process was manual, but now with the help of these DevOps tools like GitHub Action, we can automate this process and we can deploy our application. We can package and deploy our application automatically by creating the CI/CD pipeline. So I created that CI/CD pipeline. You can see over here, just for your information I'm showing it. This is the YAML file. So this is the what we can say the code for building and deploying the application on the server. So at this moment you will not understand this, but later on we will talk on this. But just try to understand how actually the application gets packaged and gets deployed on a server by creating a workflow, by creating a CI/CD pipeline. That I want to show you. Just check the status. Still build process has been finished. Only the deployment is remaining. The application is getting deployed on server. As soon as this deployment gets completed, we will refresh the page and we will observe the background color. Just refresh. Still deployment is going on. The build time was 1 minute 38 seconds, and deployment will also take few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. I mean in 3-4 minutes your application gets packaged and gets deployed on server. You don't have to manually do this. Yes, deployment is finished. Now refresh the page. Just a minute. Yes, now you can see. Yes, you can see the color has been changed from blue to tomato. So this is how we create a CI/CD workflow, and as soon as we make the changes in our code base, the application gets packaged and gets deployed on a server automatically. Thank you.